Saving a Numpy array as an image. I have a matrix in the type of a Numpy array. How would I write it to disk it as an image? Any format works: PNG, JPEG, BMP. One important constraint is that PIL is not present.
This uses PIL, but maybe some might find it useful. Edit. The current CPI version started to normalize all images so that min, data, become black and max, data, become white. This is unwanted if the data should be exact gray levels or exact RGB channels. The solution.
Using PIL, save a Numpy array by doing. See the docs for available data formats, including JPEG, PNG, and so on.
Pure Python 2 and 3, a snippet without third-party dependencies. This function writes compressed, true color, for bytes per pixel, or bar PNGs. The data should be written directly to a file opened as binary, as in. Original source. See also, Rust port from this question. Example usage thanks to @Evany Sergeyev, this URL.
With Matplotlib. Works with Matplotlib 1.3.1. I don't know about lower version. From the doc string.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.